Today we're going to talk about what you should never do at an auto accident. Steve Kerrigan, personal injury lawyer. Can you take it from there, Steve?
Absolutely, and great question. As important as what you do at the scene of an automobile collision, just as importantly is what not to do. And so let me give you a list of at least the highlights and the items that come to my mind. Number one, do not admit fault or responsibility because you don't know. You don't know all the facts. You don't know all the various pieces of this puzzle that end up being this automobile collision. So do not admit that you're at fault. When asked what happened, stick only to the facts and just relate the facts, not your opinions. But don't concede or admit to responsibility. Do not tell the investigating officer or anyone at the scene that you're not injured. Again, you don't know how you're going to feel in an hour or 5 hours or 10 hours, but Michael, we can have so many times our clients have made those and it comes back to haunt them. They don't know better, but we're educating you now. And again, obviously, if you have any questions about any of this, text us. Do not call 911 or the police. We had that case the other day where no police were called and there was a misexchange of information. I will tell you, you will set your claim or your lawsuit back many miles if you don't call the police and get them to come out and do an investigation. It's just critically important. Do not scurry out of your car unless you smell smoke or something, but and do not be real active around the scene of the collision because more than likely someone is going to be photographing you or video and taping you, and those kind of actions are just inconsistent usually with the way you're going to be feeling in an hour or two. And when you get to a claim or lawsuit, they're going to bring that up and, well, you were scurrying around and looked like you weren't injured. So if you can get out of your vehicle, if not, wait for assistance. If you can get out, please, and you should be careful and move very slowly. If you feel nauseated or dizzy or uncomfortable at all, get someone to assist you to the curbside or some shade and sit there. Do not assume that a complete and thorough investigation is going to be made and that you don't need to do nothing. No. Police officers do their best, but they're going to miss things, and they may have just come from a call. They may get called away. They may have had a long day. They may not be in the best mood. You're going to have to do, if you're up to it or have someone you trust there, start your own investigation. Take photographs, look for cameras, look at signal lights, find witnesses, key critical. So don't assume everything is going to be done for you, and certainly don't assume that the police report will reflect good contact information for these incredibly valuable witnesses. And do not assume that the driver who just got out and is apologetic and so sorry he did that and oh my gosh, it was my fault. Don't assume he's going to stick to that story. We were talking to the client the other day that texted us and was really upset about that. I'm telling you, it's human nature, and then their insurance company gets involved. We had that other case where this adjuster got this lady defendant to change her story. Don't assume that they're going to be honest or stick to their original honest story. That's why you need witnesses. That's why you need to document things. And please do not ever get involved in a significant automobile collision and not text Michael and I. That will be key critical. We can help, we can assist in so many ways. You need to do that.
And go ahead and put this number in your phone, Steve Kerrigan, personal injury lawyer. You'll have a lawyer on speed dial. And if you get into a wreck, text us immediately. If you missed anything that he just said, He'll text you everything that he just said. We'll have it in the notes section and copy and paste it right to you so that you don't have to remember any of this stuff.
I promise we'll take good care of you.